Hello, this is a tutorial on how to take your Xbox apart if you want a hot swap or anything else. And basically put the Xbox upside down to get to the 6 screws on the bottom. Take these rubber pieces off. You'll locate 4 of them underneath them. There's a label over here and here. Got the other 2 screws. You'll need a T10 and T20 Torx bit. So T10 would be for the little screw that's inside the Xbox that you're going to have to take out. T20 is for the outside screws. Apparently not tight enough. There we go. Take all 6 of these out. Flip the Xbox back over. Give it a little bit of a jerk to get the top off. And now you're inside the Xbox. In order to hot swap, you will have to take this out, take the top off, and take the little magnetic piece out in order to keep it balanced still. Anything else you want to do? Like I said, you got to disconnect all this. There will be a screw here, here, 2 more down here, and that should be it. Then you can take your hard drive out, set it up to the side. Your CD drive will come out. And you are now inside the rest of the Xbox. If you want to take the faceplate off, you simply take a screwdriver in here, pop it off. There's a clip down here, over here, and another one over here. And that's if you want to change anything like the LEDs inside the eject button. And if you want to change these, like I said, T10, unscrew them, unplug this, take this right out, and you can switch to whatever you want. And that's about it. There's nothing else really to do except for put it back together after whatever you do. Have fun.